Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Edikang Ikong. These are the ingredients we are going to be using. We have water leaves, we have ugu leaves, we have chicken, we have stock and catfish, we have pepper, we have onions, we have cow skin, we have crayfish. We are going to be boiling our protein, which is chicken. You can use beef if you want. I mean, that's the norm, but I'm using chicken. I've already marinated the chicken overnight, so I added some onions, then the stock fish, yeah, and going in with your seasoning cubes and salt. Give it a gentle stir, then cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see that it has roasted for a while without water. Then now we can add our pepper, not all the pepper though, some of the pepper. Then go in with the water. Give it a gentle stir again and cover and allow it to cook properly. We are going to let it cook, like the water is going to dry because we are using the water leaf water to make our soup. In another pot, we are going to add our oil, palm oil, not too much, into the pot and allow it to get really hot before going in with the onions and crayfish. Give it a stir. At this point, your neighbors should be perceiving the aroma. So after frying that, you go in with your pepper mix, then give it a stir. At this point, you can add the smoked dry catfish and periwinkle if you have any. I added Cameroon pepper because I want it really hot. I go with some seasoning cubes, just one though, and salt because I've already seasoned the meat that we are using. Add a little water just to allow it cook for a while, just to make it cook properly for a while. Then we can now go in with the water leaves. I was trying to check if the salt and seasoning is enough here. Thankfully, it was. Go in with the water leaves first, give it a stir, then go in with the protein. You might be using beef or any other kind of protein that you already boiled. Then you cover and allow it to cook for like 5-10 minutes. Today's love goes to Adita Shuai. Thank you very much, Adita. I'm really grateful. Guys, don't forget to comment where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you. So at this point, it's already like 10 minutes. So I go in with the pumpkin, that's the ugu leaves. Then give it a stir. If you can't stir it, don't worry, just leave it, just cover it. The vegetable will go down on its own, and at that point it will be able to stir it properly. 5 minutes later, our ugu is already soft, and I can say now that our Edikang Ikong soup is ready. You can have this with anything, but I'm going to be having mine with pando yam. So I am trying to make the pando here just to, you don't have to do much. Boil your water, add some flour, then turn it the way I'm doing right now. You can add little water, then cover and allow to cook for like another 3 to 4 minutes. Then your pando is ready. So when it's done here, you just give it a stir, like you turn it properly for everything to mix together. Then voila, serve your food. I enjoy this food. I'm not even going to lie. It's really nice. You can give it a try. It's not stressful. It's one of the easiest soup to make. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, then like my videos.